Hey guys, this is Ringmaster Ray, and I went to my LCS, picked up some really great coins that I've got from my collection here. I'm going to share those with you and kind of show you what I got. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer here so you guys can see them even in better shape. So I did pick up some Benjis from my Benji album. I got the 52D full bell lines there. Really nice one. I got a 62 proof. 62 Philly, and this one's going to be the 54 Philly and a 53D. These are basically all uncirculated BUs. And then for the fun part of it though is I ended up getting some Mexico stuff. So this is a 1962 Mexico coin right there, and apparently this one is a pretty rare one. It is also pretty high relief there, very beautiful. And look at the detail on the back there, just incredible. I did pay up for this one. It is a very nice one, uncirculated, beautiful coin. Also here, got me a 1 peso, 1950. Very cool one there. So I did also, if I can hold on to coins today, got this one right here, Casa Moneda. This is an Unk, 1978, beautiful coin. When I saw it was basically all the way uncirculated, I had to snag it up for sure. That was a very nice one. Some of the other ones I got here, I got the Hidalgos here. So this one is a 1951. And this is the 10 pesos, 5 pesos, 1951. Beautiful big old silver coin. This is the 52, 53, a 55. I need a 54 is what I need, a 56, and a 57. I got to see what other dates they are also have for those. I did get this Mexican coin right here. This is un centavo, 1893, and it is a copper coin, and it is pretty dark, but pretty neat old coin there. Very nice. So yeah, I'm going to be putting some of these into my album right now so that you guys can see them. So the first thing, I've got a separate album from all of the rest of my other stuff for my Mexico album. This is just for the un pesos. And so I am trying to fill up an album full of those. So let me grab that peso here. So this will be the 1950. And we're gonna work our way up in time here. And let's see, 47, 48, 49. So that one's a 57. So I'm gonna actually place this one right here. And then I'm gonna be adding more of these and filling this album up here. So this has got all the way to some of the more current un pesos here, all the way up to 83 is what I have. I'll be adding more and more to this. I just started this project yesterday after splitting it off from my other album of silver. So here's the other one I have right here. This one contains a lot of Mexico stuff in it. So I do have these 1915 20 pesos or 20 pesos. I have two of them. I got that one and this one. I also have some other older bills up here too. This one is a 1949 5 peso. I don't really have too much paper money, even in US. I got rid of most of all of it and kind of just invested more into US coins, and then I did currency. But with the Mexico and Canada, I did start keeping some of those. So here is my other ones here that I have in Mexico. And so we're going to be adding some of these coins. Got some Libertads here. Just really started getting into Libertads and started collecting those. We got some more of our Reals here, some of the older stuff. And then we have these. So this is the 89. Looks like this one's the 89. Nope, 1980. So I have a 1980 there. Here is a 79 here. And you can see 78, 79, much more prettier than the one I had for sure. But this one is the 80. So I'm gonna move this stuff on down until I get a nicer 1980. Here is the other Hill Doggo I have here. This one is a 53. And I think I have another 53 here. 52, 53, yes I do. This one is in a capital holder. I'm gonna leave that in a capital holder and just keep it as is like that. But we'll put the other ones here. This one's a 1977. Really, I need to move some of these around. This is just a, there we go. Okay, and then we have 68. I have a couple of these and then some of my other stuff. Let's see what this one is here. This one's a 51. So I think I'm gonna have to get a whole new sheet just for those alone. So let me grab that real quick and we'll start doing that. All right, got me an extra sleeve here so we can start filling this up. So I do have several here. I think I'm gonna have to put this one in. This is a 51. Let me get that into a flip also. I've got those right here. Got it. It's gonna be a little tight because those aren't really designed for those. So this is a 51, 1951. I think that's about the earliest one I have. Let's see, now I have this 51 right here. So I'm gonna set that one off to the side. I'm gonna slide this one in. We're gonna keep our nice one there. Okay, so next up, we're gonna have a 52 and a 53. I do not have a 54, so I'm gonna skip one. We'll go to the 55. And a 56 and a 57 right there. Awesome, awesome. Let's see what this one is here. Are those the same size? It looks like they cut down the size in 56. Because these seem much larger than they get smaller. That's why, because these are the 5 peso, that's why. So these are the 10s and these are the 5s. So I'm gonna put 56 and 57 here. There we go. So now we have all new sheet right there of some really cool ones that I have. So pretty sweet. I do have that extra 51. That'll probably just go to resale to one of you guys. Pretty sweet deal. All right, so we got the other ones in. I don't have, all I have is my older ones that I need to put in. I have 1887 50 centésimos or centavos. We're gonna go ahead and just put that right here. I'm gonna get all the 50s, centavos all put into one place eventually. And then we have this one here, which is going to be 1 centavo. Now I'm going to leave that actually in its container for right now. And we can just go ahead and put it here until I get it slabbed up or put it in its place. So yeah, see, I've got 50 here, 50 here. I've got all different ones that I need to get the 50-cent ones all put into place also. So, well, guys, that looks like about it. I don't know how much time I have. We're going to head on over to Miss Coin Crew on this 8-channel premiere train. And I'm going to see you next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you all. See you later.